How to find Facebook user ID. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding your Facebook username. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Facebook Lite or Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the Facebook application is also updated to its latest version available. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and then tap on your profile. Once you're in your profile section, tap on the three dots that is beside the edit profile option. Now there you will see the option of copy link to profile, which is the last option from the menu that appears below the create additional profile. Tap on it. You can see that I have copied it to my clipboard and this includes my Facebook username. So once I tap on copy link, I can share my profile with my friends and they will be able to add me on Facebook. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and leave a comment and also subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos from our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.